Feel your eyes, they all over me. Don't be shy, take control of me. Get the vibe, it's gonna be lit tonight.
Hi guys, good morning. So my head look crazy because I'm going to relax my hair, but today is Savannah's birthday and so she's having a pool party. So you know me and Lily have to go. So I'm cooking right now. I'm gonna do my hair. It's a bit early, so hopefully my hair dry so I can get to curl it. Oh, I mean it's a pool, so I probably don't need to curl because I'm going to go into the water. So I don't know, I'll see. But yeah, I look crazy. So this is me on a Sunday morning. Yeah, I'm gonna relax my hair. It looks really bad. Yeah, so I will talk to you guys in the next clip. Hey mama.
Sometimes it would just
sure. Hey mama. Hi. Josh, you lost you. So guys, we are ready. So Lily saying hi there. So we are ready to go. Always late. Yeah, I'm always late. So I was trying to show you guys Lily's outfit. Yeah. So I was trying to show you guys. So I was trying to show you guys Lily's outfit, but she just would not stand up. I can't even get a single picture with her. I'm gonna put her downstairs and see if I can catch 2 pictures. But yeah, if not, when we get to the party, then I can try to take pictures again. So this is why. So this is why you guys always see me standing with her in a picture, because she just refuses to take pictures. I don't know, like when it's photo shoot or so, she'll be a good steward, but otherwise from that, she just not taking any pictures alone. So yeah, say bye-bye. I'll see you guys in the next clip. So if I didn't say before, we're going to Savannah's birthday party, which is Beautiful Beginnings. Chevelle, daughter's birthday party. So yeah, I'm gonna go. It's a pool party. So yeah, I'm not swim, but I'm going into the water so Kaylee can go into the water too. But yo, my face beating now. Okay guys, so we are on our way. Me that eat some food. Watch Lily and say okay. So yeah, my sister is coming with me. She's in the front of the car. But yeah, I don't know the drill, babe carrying us. But yeah, we're on our way. Hey mama. Eyes always running. Hi princess. So cute. Clapping for mommy. Clap, clap, clap. Clap for mommy. Clap for mommy. Good girl. So cute. Say happy birthday, Savannah. You telling Sav happy birthday? You can clap, so. No, God don't feel like a Jew.
Y'all going now?
No, no. This far though. So I'm not in the mood today. Happy birthday, Sam. She no want to go.
I'm here already. Dash!
you. Happy birthday, Savannah. Oh my God, she's so cute. Dog, this looks so good. Hey, Savvy. You alright if my flag right, Shabba? You know, you alright if my flag? I'm not laughing in the cheese still. Should I feel alright?
Wanna catch my baby now, man?
Yes!
Sam.
Hi, baby. Come, mommy. Come, Savvy. Come, baby. Oh my God. Lily, come. Weird. Hey, Savvy. Yeah. We can't let her go. Come, Sav.
Hey.
Come, baby. Come, Sav. Come, Savannah. Hold her hand, baby. Come, Sav. Good morning, Tiffany. Hola. Come, baby, father. Yeah. Nice father. Yeah. Look here, mother.
Everyone going to the water.
The sun is out, guys. Lily, you want to go in the water, Mama? Mommy don't want to go in the water. You want to go in the ground, baby? Mommy, baby, okay? You okay? Hey, the sun hot. Hey, baby? You want to go on the ground? Hey, Mama.
Come, Lily, come.
Oh, you're going to manage the two of them.
Where's that big family?
Where the sun I go? Tiffany, not your right
Just on me ear. Watch out.
Lily, I should have used Italia.
She want to come down.
No, Grung, she want to go. She run up and down.
She come so.
She love on the ground, girl.
Baby rivalry.
Lily, no smile, Savvy? And I bet they put them in the water, them are bad. The water too cool. Hey, Savvy, happy birthday, Savvy, Sav. You know, smile for auntie? Happy birthday, baby. Lily, walk up on the ground. Okay guys, rain did a fall, so we have to move. Had to change Kaylee for the play school. But yeah, we're here hanging. No baby, we'd have to take out one of my earrings. I wait there, Jesus lost. But yeah, I had to take out one of my earrings. Kalili. Watch that, man, I like that dog like him want to come jump up. You there? Come Sash. The party done. So we are go home.
In the place. Party done.
So yes, I think this sums up the vlog. Me telling on Marichi dancing.
To the vlog. Stop it.
Hey guys, so I'm finally home. The baby is asleep. I'm gonna wipe up my face now. So I'm going to wipe. Make it go on, make it go on. So I am no, the bank now leave. Okay, so I am going to wipe off my face now, and I'm gonna edit another vlog. Yeah, which is a picnic vlog, because I need to put out them video. I always post my vlogs them late, and that's because it's just the time. Because last week I worked late all week. I'm coming like after 8, so I'm gonna try for put out another video them for last week, but it just never worked out. But yeah, I am closing this video off. I don't think I said happy birthday, Savannah. So yeah, we did celebrate Savannah's birthday. So happy birthday, Savvy Sav Sav. When you go older, you probably come across this video. So yeah, I'm just saying happy birthday and auntie loves you. So yeah, today was awesome. Yo, I had to say oh my god, I was so shocked. Like, I saved somebody from joining today. So I'm a hero. Oh my god, I was so surprised. Like, we're gonna the pool go dry out, you know. Honestly, truly. Oh my god. I'm just happy that I could just, you know, was not in shock, and so I could run out and get her, and she's good. But yeah, I love you guys so much. I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs that I'm actually putting out, and you will be getting more, because I'm trying to, you know, go out. Yeah, so yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. By the way, the lashes I'm wearing are the Glamour lashes from Makeup by Showers. These are my faves. Like, I don't know, I'm gonna like the old natural lash. I like my lash line full, and the glow is Amber Glow from All Dolled Up Cosmetics. Yeah, if you don't wonder why my hair curl, that's because I wash it, so it actually just a dry. So yeah, I had to do it like this. But yeah, bye guys.